Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet this Filet Crochet headband. I love using it indoors as well as outdoors. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along Volume 2. It has a mystery feature to it because you don't know which pattern I will be publishing each day. The entire event has 30 crochet patterns. 24 of them will be available free to view on my website. But again, you don't know which one. The 24 patterns will also be available in my membership, ad-free and printer-friendly. You can also get those on Ravelry and Etsy as a PDF. All 30 crochet patterns include a video tutorial. If you want to get all 30 crochet patterns ad-free and printer-friendly, then get my ebook at the link down below in the description or my website. All 30 crochet patterns are last-minute gift ideas. The entire event is sponsored by Premier Yarns. Now let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. In order to get started, you're going to need some cotton yarn. I'm using Premier's Cotton Sprout worsted weighted yarn, and I'm using the color Aqua. If you want to make it for a different size, please check the pattern for the instructions to do so. I'm going to make a small swatch just to show you the pattern. You're going to chain 70 for an adult size. I'm going to crochet 10 just to show you the pattern. Starting from the second chain from the hook, you're going to crochet a single crochet. Now insert your hook into the loop that's closest to your yarn finger out of the 2 loops of your single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Now have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. This is an alternative turning chain or a stacked single crochet, and it counts as a double crochet. You would insert your hook on the top when you turn your work. Now crochet 1 double crochet per chain until the end of the row, then turn. Now you're going to start again with an alternative turning chain, so make a single crochet and then insert your hook into the loop that's closest to your yarn finger, yarn over and pull through. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. You have 2 stacked single crochets on top of each other. Now you're going to chain 1, skip 1, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now you're going to repeat that. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet until the very end, and you're going to finish with 1 double crochet. Then turn. Then you're going to repeat row 2, and then the very last row is also just double crochets. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. You're now going to fold it roughly in half on both sides so they meet in the middle. You're going to take an elastic and place it over so you know how far you're going to fold your pieces inward. You're now going to fold it like so, such that these 2 come together. You're going to sew around here such that the elastic can still move, and then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So the way I like to sew it is sew the center parts right here, that's the end parts, together, and sew it to the bottom right here, and then sew upwards and sew across here to make sure that the elastic has room but you can't pull it out. Then you do exactly the same thing on the other side. I'm going to sew the tips here together and sew it onto the bottom part right here. And then I'm going to sew over to close this up here and sew the end here together. So let me do that right now. So let me show you. So you're going to fold it in such that the 2 ends meet. You hold them together. And now you're going to sew back and forth such that the ends hold together and it goes through on the bottom. So everything holds together. Do that a few times just to make sure everything is nice and tight, and your elastic won't come undone. Work your way a little bit inward. And now you're just going to sew right behind the elastic. So the elastic's right there. So now we're going to sew the back here together just slightly. You don't need too much to sew together. I like to go just back and forth between these and then go through it to make sure everything stays in place and the elastic stays where it needs to stay. And then when you're done, fasten it off and weave in your ends. Once you're done, you flip it the other way around, and now you're ready to wear it. Obviously this part is on the bottom of your neck, and then this part is on the top. And now you're ready to use it as a spa headband. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're going to want to, I promise you do. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.